What's going on, my dudes? This is Mr. Garner, and this is Math Time with Mr. G, and this is going to be your end of course test review. The idea is that you fast forward to the unit that you need extra practice on, and then after the extra practice, if you still don't get it, to then go to that unit's test review video, watch that. If you still don't get it, that's the section that you should be studying. So step 1, watch this. Step 2, go back to the unit that you need extra practice on, and then in that unit, ask questions there. For unit 6, I'm going to rewrite this radical in exponential form, and I'm going to solve for x. Graph, the first thing I'm going to do is find the y-intercept by plugging in 0, and then asymptote, I'm going to put positive infinity, negative infinity, see if I have one, graph, and then find domain and range from there. A town with a population of 7,000, a growth rate of 4.6, what would the town be in 10 years? So I'm going to start with my exponential growth formula, and then plug in my values. To find the sixth term, I'm going to put in my explicit formula is being divided by half or multiplied by 0.5, and I'm going to put 6 in for my nth term. This is our subtraction of polynomials. I'm going to divide or distribute the negative to every term, rewrite in standard form, and then combine like terms. To double distribute to every term, distribute to every term, write twice, then double distribute. All right, to factor, the first thing I'm going to do is take out any x terms and numbers that I can, and then I am going to use slide and divide to try to solve this. All right, to find my vertex in vertex form, it's opposite of what I think. Axis of symmetry, it's just going to be my x term, and my y-intercept, I'm going to have to plug in 0 for x and then solve for y. All right, to find the y-intercept, it's just my c term. To find the vertex, I have to find axis of symmetry first, then plug it back in to find my vertex. Then I'm going to graph it, and then find the average rate of change by finding 2 points when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 2, and then find the average rate. And for the last unit of stats, just go back and rewatch that one. It should still be fresh in your guys' mind. But if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section. But other than that, be kind to each other, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.